Hi dear everyone, how are you all? I know you are doing good. As I told you that I will give you more tutorial on flowers, leaves, animals, figure and many more. As my work, this is the third tutorial on flowers. It's called violet crocus flower. So let's go paint with me. Draw the subject properly and also make violet, indigo, yellow green, dark olive green and take blue and Prussian blue. You can check my color chart tutorial. It will be easy to understand colors and their difference. So use water first, because when you use water first it will give you a nice blending between colors and water. First of all, drop violet and drag them properly. Give some light space into flower. So for that, wipe some color by using brush, then use indigo color for more dark shade to separate petals and shades properly between them. Let them dry. Use water in background. Gradually draw violet, blue, dark olive green and yellow green. And move the paper for nice blending. After complete background, let them dry. Now use white color to create that light is passing through those patterns. Use yellow green for grasses. Thank you everyone to watch my tutorial. Please support me so that I can get encouraged to create more videos for you. See you soon with my next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.